Planning to explore Braga without the inconvenience of carrying your luggage? Radical Storage offers a fast and secure solution to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, I'll explain how to deposit your luggage at a Radical Storage point in Braga using their trusted and fully insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your luggage remains safe and insured while you explore. Instead of searching online and risking phishing sites, use the secure link provided to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, it's simple to find a luggage storage point in Braga. Just enter Braga into the search bar, and you'll get a list of storage options across the city. Choose a location that fits your needs, whether it's close to tourist attractions, transit hubs, or the city center. Then, select the most convenient drop-off and pick-up times for your schedule, and proceed to payment. Radical Storage ensures safe online transactions, so you can book with confidence. After your booking is complete, you'll receive a confirmation with a reference number and directions to your chosen storage point. Once you arrive, just show your reference to the staff, and your bags will be securely stored. And that's all there is to it. Now you can freely explore Braga knowing your belongings are in safe hands with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.